Hello, welcome back on board Seatime. So it is time now to start the electricity that's starting next week, and at the same time start all the electronic. So I have received all my Raymarine stuff, my Raymarine order, so everything on board the boat will be renewed and replaced with Raymarine items. And here I have the Raymarine VHF, and this VHF will be installed here, where you see I had a loudspeaker here, a speaker, I had another radio before, and I had other stuff here that were gone, that are now gone. So there are a lot of wires to be removed, but anyway, the idea is to put here all this on this side, all the transmission with the VHF, the spare VHF here, and the Iridium sat over there. So obviously it's all, nothing works as we want. So we have the Raymarine radio here that is quite deep, and here I have all the previous cuts, and of course all the holes, and nothing fits, and I am limited in the depths here because there is an aluminium reinforcement here at the back. So eventually I decided that we were going to have a plate here that's going to come over here, just to give a little bit of additional room, so that I'm not going to touch the aluminium reinforcement at the back here. So, and next I will put the Raymarine radio over there, the speaker here, and not the speaker, the loudspeaker over there, and the speaker somewhere in the middle here. So I don't know if you see. So that's what we are going to have soon. And so the plan now is to screw and glue at the same time this piece here, so it's part of the structure. It's not going to be removable, and on top of that later on I will add carbon fiber adhesive plate that's going to make a nice look, and on top we will have later on the Raymarine VHF. So that's what's going to happen here. Here on this side here, I don't know if you see that one. Do you see this one here? Okay. So on this one here, we had plenty of things here with GPS. The VHF was there. Some USB plugs were there as well. And I have here the on this side here, I had a lateral band radio that is now gone. So step by step I am cleaning the mess and all the cables here, and eventually this plate here will come here later on, and we will have the Raymarine navigation, the Axiom 9 will fit here, and underneath here I will have this guy here. Where is it? This guy here. I will have probably, unless I decide otherwise, I will have here the Fusion MS AV700 mounted somewhere here. So the Axiom 9 will fit on the top, or I do the opposite, maybe the MS on top and the Axiom at the bottom. I don't know. I will see how it fits, but this is quite heavy, and actually I'm not sure I will keep it, because here you have, when you open that, if I can open, because it's not easy to open, but if you can open it, you have it. So if you open it here, you see that you have the possibility to run a DVD, a CD or whatever. So I don't know if it is really useful nowadays, because everything is numeric and okay. So I have no idea if I'm going to keep that, because it's quite heavy and it's very deep as well. So I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I will keep it. The beauty of it is that you can have 4 zones for the radio, for the music, for everything, but in the boat we have 2 zones, and that's more than enough if we can fit a decent auto radio that we can buy in any shop, and I think it will do. Okay, you have the Bluetooth, but most of all auto radio nowadays they make the Bluetooth as well. So I don't know if I will keep this one or not. And at the same time, I have removed. Let me show you. I have removed this one. That was the Fusion Lowrance dock for an iPod or whatever, or an iPhone. So first of all, I'm not using any iPhone, but on top of it, I have the feeling that this is the old connector, and so again, it's not a lot of cables here. It's a USB, but I don't see that I will reinstall that one. And on top of it, I had also this one guy, that is the Lowrance Sonic Hub Marine audio server by Fusion. So it is a Sonic Hub, and this is supposed to communicate between the Fusion MS 700 and a lot of things. So, and this is supposed to communicate with the Furino or Lowrance display that was there before, and that will be replaced with Raymarine. So I don't believe I will need this one anymore. I'm going to check again on the internet if there is any use for that, but it's again a lot of connections everywhere, and it's quite heavy as well. So I think at the end of the day it's going to be simple, because I have this one plus this one plus this one. It's a lot of Fusion stuff. Okay, so you will see more when I will be installing the Raymarine stuff. Goodbye for now.